friends, once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. Once again, I brought for you the unique varieties from the fast moving segment. Hope you all know that fast moving segment collections always everyone demands like either silk or it will be a cotton. Yes, my friends. So today I'm going to show you from the cotton segment. These are the fast moving latest trending collections, which is a linen cotton blended sari, which is only the embroidery varieties. Every collections with the color charts I'm going to show you. Keep watching this video, subscribe the channel, my friends, and quickly place an order before getting out of stock. Resellers, please add into your business. And I request everyone, please follow the Rani Talks Tamil channel of YouTube and Instagram, also even Rani Talks Telugu YouTube or Instagram. You can follow there, and I'll share you many more helpful videos of textile, even products, motivational stories for you, where you can have a many more ideas for your business ideas. Every day I'm sharing the product videos. So today, as I told you, I brought for you the cotton embroidery saris, the friendly budget of 400 rupees to 700 range of collections. Here I can say Andhra, Tamil Nadu and Kerala, Karnataka, formerly office wear people and the homeware housewives. For the regular, these collections are very weightless, easy to wash and easy to carry. So I am going to show you the every unique latest varieties which is now trending at the market. So let's see the collections. First I'll show you, you will get in this saree, every saree you will have a golden jerry according to the color chart, and black is the formal base color. So this is the black. Every dark color you can see the black which is on the leafy pattern, the lotus flower work which is designed, and the mini golden zeri border you can see over here. Let's see the color charts of the olive green. I can say half of the half white, I can see lemon yellow, and one of the dark onion pink. These are the total 3 4 5 color charts is there. You can quickly purchase for the resellers, I can tell you. If I talk about the classic color combination, white goes with every color, which looks elegant and neat and sober color combination. This is one of the light brown chart of the white color. You can see linen cotton blended saree, how it works. The entirely body part, you can see the thin layer of the thread work. The color charts are one of the green, I can see one of the ocean blue color, one of the dark light lavender, and one is the dark onion pink, and one of the dark peach. And coming to the pastel colors of English colors for the office wear, it will be very good. So this is a pista green, geometrical pattern combination of white with pista green. This is the pattern. You have these color charts. The color charts are very, one of the blue and one of the light gray color and one of the peach color, one of the lemon yellow color and one of the rose milk color. So every saree is a pastel color. If you're buying only pastel color, you will get all the set with the pastel. If you're purchasing contrast color, the contrast color chart you can see. Now coming to 4 set of color charts only with the cream color, but the border and the work goes like maroon, green and the cream color. This is the maroon. So entire saree dark cream, which goes with the combination of the waves design of the border, zari border. Instead of zari border, they have given the thread work, and this is the green, dark beige green, and one of the khaki color, I can say this is the color, and one of the dark gray thread work. So these sarees, and every saree you will find out the dark cream tassels of the glossy thread work. So these collections are first housewear, home ladies, even the working ladies. You can purchase from 400 to 700 range of collections. These are from the cotton segment. When you come to Kesaria Manufacturers Doriwala, opposite to Surat Railway Station, 3 minutes walkable distance, where the Doriwala, you have a cotton sections of 3 4 sections. Cotton, we do have low range, medium range and cotton premium varieties of cotton sarees. So when you are purchasing with the right manufacturer, you will get the suggestions of the margin, how to keep what kind of collections based on your location, when the city or state where you're coming, and you're based on your showroom or shop, based on or your online business, you can purchase and start your business, and you can do marketing activities, and you can support yourself to your business and the products. When you're giving a product, give best product to your customer service you do, and quality quantity matters a lot. Then only customer will come to you again and again. So update advancedly for this 2026 season, festival season. July starts, So till December, you have a festival season till now January. So don't get delay. Advancedly book your tickets, visit, purchase. Then you give the best product service. So next video will meet. Keep supporting me. Let me know in the comments from which city you're watching the video. And follow the Rani Talks Tamil page and the Telugu page also in Instagram and YouTube. Next video will meet with new more collections and information. Until then, keep supporting. Take care. Bye bye.